What's going on, good people? This is Terrence at Southern Gentleman's Table TV, and today we are doing some smoked turkeys, but we're actually going to put a twist to it. It's the holiday season. We do hundreds of turkeys every year around this time, but this time we're going to do something a little different. If you could tell, they've already been kind of pre-smoked. They're not done. We're going to pre-smoke, then we're going to Cajun deep fry them. All right. So I have the Cajun butter here. I'm just gonna inject the breast meat on all of these. It's just gonna give it some extra flavor. So you figure they've already been smoked, and also we've brined all of these turkeys for 2 days. So internally, the flavor is already gonna be pretty amazing. So, oh, that was kind of seeping. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go through and do all of these. Again, I'm really more focused on the breast meat because we brine these turkeys for 2 days. They're flavorful internally. It's just gonna add a little extra flavor to it, and then when we put it in that deep fryer, we hit it with some of this Cajun spices, it's just gonna take it up a whole nother notch. So I'm gonna finish these and then we'll get back to you when we get ready to deep fry them, all right? Be back to you. All right, what's going on, guys? All right, so listen, we're back. I have the turkey fry here. It's on about 365, but I know when I put the turkey in, it's gonna bring the temp down a little bit, probably about 350. So, I'm gonna put this bad boy, let's see here. I'm gonna put it right here in this basket. You ready? Yeah. Looking good right there. So we'll let this cook probably about 7-8 minutes, because like I said, it's not raw. It's already pre-cooked. When we took it out the smoker, it tipped about 135, but we need to get to 165, obviously. So probably 7 to 8 minutes, I'll check it, maybe 10, but at that point, we're good to go, all right? All right, so now, we tip this bad boy. Oh yeah. Look how sexy that is right there. And then what I'm gonna do is hit with some of that Cajun spice. That's it, we good.